Are you looking for the best electric bicycle? Engwe X24 say 1000 watts. In this video we will look at some of the best electric bicycle Engwe X24 say 1000 watts on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. EU stock lightweight foldable mobility scooters, double rear disc brake system, rear suspension system, LED headlight, rear taillight, horn, speed gear, reversing button, parking brake. Keep the scooter in place when parked, especially on steep inclines or declines. This is a smart and lightweight 4-wheel mobility scooter. This 4-wheel design structure is stable and suitable for all age groups. The folding lightweight power mobility scooter is equipped with brushless wheelchair motor technology, better than electric wheelchairs for adults or lightweight wheelchairs. The foldable scooter has advanced and reliable design technology, and energy-saving and environmental protection. Number 2. Electric bicycle Engwe X24 say 1000 watts, 750 watts motor peak value 1200 W, 7-speed Shimano transmission, full suspension, Eco Normal Sport 3 riding modes, hydraulic shock absorption, hydraulic disc brakes, 20x4.0 mountain tires, equipped with mobile phone charging port, light-sensitive headlight, large capacity battery, foldable frame and stem, 7-speed Shimano transmission, full suspension, Eco Normal Sport 3 riding modes, hydraulic shock absorption, hydraulic disc brakes, 24x4.0 mountain tires, equipped with mobile phone charging port, light-sensitive headlights, large capacity battery, foldable frame. Number 3. 1000 watts folding electric bicycle. The commuter electric mountain bike is equipped with a giant lithium battery, which increases the mileage by 50%. Say goodbye to frequent charging with this e-bike that easily delivers 80 miles of range for your most ambitious riding adventures. Perfect for daily commuting. Detachable design allows the battery to be easily removed from the e-bike and charged indoors. 1000 W peak powerful motor with the support of a 750 watts 1000 watts peak powerful motor. It can brake through 30 miles per hour in pure electric throttle mode, with a torque of up to 65, and can easily conquer a 30-degree slope. Adult electric bikes offer powerful power, faster starts and enhanced climbing capabilities, making them not only suitable for daily commuting, but also for going to the beach, climbing, and traveling with friends. Number 4. Electric bike Engwe P2 Pro folding. Looking for an electric bicycle that can take you on an adventure? The Engwe P2 Pro has got you covered. With a modular 48 volts 13-hour battery and a brushless geared motor that's faster than your average sloth. Folks want to explore different terrains? The Engwe P2 Pro electric bike is equipped with 20x4.0 fat tires that are puncture resistant and offer excellent traction. You can take on anything from rocky roads to sandy beaches, snowy suburbs, and even urban jungles. Nothing can stop you. Safety first. The Engwe P2 Pro e-bike has excellent riding performance, with 3 riding modes and 7-speed. Plus, the dual disc brakes and lighting system keep you safe on your adventure, so you can focus on having fun and leave the worrying to us. Number 5. HXQ22 Pro 2000 watts adult e-bike electric bike. Product name HXQ22 electric bike. Color black. Frame material aluminium alloy. Battery 48 volts / 35R. 25R optional motor. 48 volts / 2000 watts. Brakes. Hydraulic disc brake. Transmission Shimano. 7 speeds. Range 25R 60-70 km, 35R 80-100 km and max speed 62 km / H. Charger parameter 25R 54.6 volts 2.0 A, 35R 54.6 volts 3.0 A with fast charge. Charging time 6-8 hours. Max slope angle 35-degree. Riding modes. Pure battery, power mode. Tires size 20.0 x 4.0 inch fat tires.